Hello everyone, welcome to SoulScript-Tales. Today's story is about discovering your unique strengths and practicing with dedication, a tale that shows how commitment and consistency can lead to real success. Along the way, we'll also learn some new English words and how to use them in simple sentences. So, stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a small and peaceful town, there lived a family in a quiet corner of the city. The family had a 1-2-year-old boy named David, who was in 6th grade. David loved playing outdoors, and his favorite pastime was soccer. Almost every day, he would head to the nearby field to practice and improve his skills. One afternoon, after returning from school, David slumped onto the couch, looking frustrated. He opened his school book, stared at it for a while, then leaned back with a disappointed expression. His father, noticing this unusual behavior, walked over and asked gently, "David, what's bothering you?" David explained that he had scored poorly in math. But what hurt him the most was seeing his friend Matt always excel in math effortlessly. No matter how hard David tried, he couldn't match Matt's performance. David's father smiled and said, "David, today I want to teach you 3 important lessons. Each will help you grow and achieve your best. Are you ready?" David nodded eagerly. Lesson 1. Everyone has unique strengths. The next day, David invited Matt to play soccer. On the field, David scored 3 goals, dominating the game. Matt, on the other hand, struggled, often losing the ball and making mistakes. Afterward, David's father asked, "So, what did you notice about the game?" David explained Matt's struggles and his own success. His father nodded and said, "See, David, just like you excel in soccer, Matt excels in math. Everyone has unique talents. We're all good at different things, and that's perfectly okay." David felt a wave of understanding. Lesson 2. Practice leads to mastery. The next day, David observed Matt at school, paying close attention to how he spent his time. He noticed Matt frequently working with numbers, solving problems, and even counting petals on a flower during recess. David's father explained, "This is why Matt is so good at math. He enjoys it and practices regularly. If you want to improve at anything, consistent practice is the key. Start small and keep going." David realized that improvement comes through dedication and consistent effort. Lesson 3. Discipline beats motivation. For the final lesson, David's father asked him to study math 3 times harder than usual the next day. David tried with full effort but soon became exhausted and fell asleep. His father gently said, "David, when you study something you don't enjoy, discipline feels heavy. But when you are passionate about something, discipline comes naturally, just like playing soccer. If you want to succeed, either pursue what you love or learn to love what you practice." David understood deeply and promised to carry these lessons with him for life. Conclusion. Through dedication, practice, and patience, anyone can discover their strengths and excel. Motivation alone is not enough. Discipline, consistency, and the right mindset are what create real success. Remember, English learning can also be fun. By listening to stories, you pick up new words, sentence structures, and confidence. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like, comment your thoughts, and share it with friends. We'll meet again with another inspiring story at @SoulScript-Tales. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep growing.